Texas sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the clearing. Cicadas hummed their nightly serenade as I stepped back to admire my latest creation, the Nook. It wasn't just a building, it was a culmination of my passions: hospitality, art, and the raw beauty of nature. As an experiential hospitality developer, I'd spent years crafting unique stays, but the Nook felt different. It was a canvas come to life, a harmonious blend of my artistic vision and a practical mind. The exterior whispered of Japanese serenity. The charred cedar cladding, a technique I'd fallen in love with for its rustic elegance, seemed to meld with the surrounding forest. Stepping inside, the stark contrast was both refreshing and grounding. White oak, with its warm undertones, dominated the interior, creating a sense of calm. Local Texas limestone, a nod to the land, added a touch of earthy texture. But the true star of the show was the floor-to-ceiling glass windows. They blurred the lines between indoors and outdoors, beckoning the forest Indiana. Every detail within the Nook spoke volumes about its meticulous design. The space, though compact, flowed seamlessly. One corner housed a functional office nook, perfect for brainstorming new concepts or catching up on emails. Another transformed into a light-filled art studio, bathed in natural light that would inspire any creative endeavor. The remaining space cleverly concealed a well-equipped sleeping area, ideal for unwinding after a day of work or exploration. This wasn't just a multi-purpose space, it was an exercise in efficient living, ideal for a minimalist or someone seeking a retreat from the hustle and bustle. The real magic, however, unfolded outside. A floating wood deck extended from the living area, cantilevered dramatically over the edge of a babbling creek. Imagine waking up to the sound of rushing water, or sipping coffee on that deck, enveloped by the embrace of the surrounding trees. It was a scene straight out of a fairy tale, a testament to the power of nature to elevate and rejuvenate. The Nook wasn't just my personal sanctuary, it was a testament to the idea that unique experiences can be crafted anywhere. It could be a luxurious escape for a guest seeking a connection with nature, a home office with a view, or even a cozy art studio for a budding artist. The beauty of it all? The design could be replicated. I'd meticulously documented the process, making it possible for anyone to build their own Nook, their own haven nestled amidst the beauty of nature.